Welcome to my channel. Today I'll explain how to add a new desktop when using Windows 11. The reason why you would want to add a new desktop is to organize your tasks. For example, one desktop can be used for note-taking when using a note application, and another desktop can be used for entertainment like watching videos or viewing different websites. Now, to be able to access and view these desktops, go to this icon over here, which is the task view icon. And if it's not on your taskbar, go to the start button, select settings, go to personalization, scroll down to taskbar, go to task view. Well, now it's on. To turn off, click over here. Now it's gone. Click back on so you can view the different desktops. Close. Now, to add a new desktop, click New Desktop. Another way is to use shortcut keys of Control, the Windows key, and the letter D key. Now we have a new desktop. To delete a desktop, go to the cross over here. Another way is to use the shortcut keys of Control, the Windows key, plus F4, and on some keyboards, Fn plus F4. So that's the only difference. Now I've deleted one desktop. You can go between different desktops by clicking on the keys of Control, the Windows key, and the right arrow or the left arrow keys. So, for example, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, and back from 4 to 3, 2, 1. Now, to move the different applications from one desktop to another, click on the task view, and we'll move this application, Notepad, to desktop number 2, and I will move this Google Chrome that's open now to desktop number 4. Click on number 4, and you can see only Google Chrome is open, and you don't see the Notepad in this desktop. To find that, go to task view and go to desktop number 2. You can see that it's been highlighted on the screen. Click on it, and you can see it over here, Notepad. Click on that, and this is the only one that is active on this desktop and not Google Chrome. Let's go back to desktop number 1, and there you go. That's how you add a new desktop in Windows 11. I hope you've liked this video. Can you like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.